Anywhere in Energy that has a grid of information, you may find it necessary to manipulate the organization or the information that's displayed. Whenever you do this, you can save that view either to your user account or you can save it so that anyone within the company has access to that. For instance, today when I was working in the work order engineering link with Microvellum, I found it very necessary to have a quick way to copy and paste the material SKUs into that screen. Now, the default view of Energy in the materials grid does not show the material SKUs. In fact, I can show you that just like this. So this is the default view for Energy materials. However, I found that it was necessary to modify this. So, for instance, if I wanted to come up here, this is the column configurator, and I can choose which columns are displayed and which aren't. In this case, I'd like to get rid of the pick. I want to keep the name. The cost doesn't matter to me. The base unit of measure is important. The margin is not going to matter to me. The price is very important. The default unit of measure is important, but I don't care whether or not it's a stock material. So once I'm done with that, I now have columns that relate to the information I need. I can manipulate these columns, I can shrink them or grow them, and I can also move them around. So let's say this is the entirety of the information that I wanted to display, and now I want to save it. So I can click this drop down, and where it says my custom view, I can choose to save. Now I can simply call it Dan's custom view, and I can save that as a custom view to my user account or to my company. Now I've saved it to my company, and anybody using Energy in the future, when they view materials, they will be able to choose my custom view from their dropdown and see the information in the same way I see it.